Hello and welcome back to English Language and Literature YouTube channel. I have great news. The iconic Buffy the Vampire Slayer is officially getting a reboot. Now let's learn some phrases together from the show.
Need a hand?
Need a hand? It means, do you need help? You can also ask someone to give you a hand. Like, can you give me a hand? It means, can you help me?
No, I can count on you.
To count on someone. It means to rely on or trust someone. For example, whenever I'm having a problem, I know I can count on my best friend.
She was the only one that could make it.
To make it. To successfully do something or to arrive somewhere. Like to make it to a meeting or a party.
Deal with it.
Deal with it. It means to manage or handle a situation. And sometimes it can mean, I don't really care. You manage it or you handle it. So we just say, deal with it. I'm not going to do anything about it.
We had to split.
To split means to leave. I've got to split means I've got to leave.
I've got it covered from A to Z.
I've got it covered from A to Z. Or you can just say I've got it covered. It means that I know everything or I have everything or I have taken care of everything.
In charge of what?
To be in charge of something means to be responsible for something. For example, I'm in charge of financial matters in my company. What is your most favorite moment from Buffy the Vampire Slayer? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. And keep slaying!